In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use pipeline automation for a quick setup via the settings in HubSpot. Whether you're using Sales Hub Starter, Professional, or Enterprise, you can easily automate the creation of tasks or send internal notifications whenever a deal hits a specific stage in your pipeline. So, let's dive in and get started. First things first, log into your HubSpot account. Once you're in, direct your attention to the top right corner of your screen, where you'll see the settings icon, which looks like a little gear. Go ahead and click on that icon. This will open up a variety of options on the sidebar. You're going to want to navigate to Objects and then select Deals from the drop-down menu. Now that you're in the Deals section, you'll see a few tabs across the top. Click on the one that says Pipelines. Here, you'll be presented with a list of your available pipelines. Select the one you'd like to automate tasks or notifications for by clicking on it. Moving right along, look for the tab labeled Automate. If you don't see it immediately, you might need to expand the Templated Automation section. Once found, click on it to proceed. Here is where the magic of automation happens. You'll see an option to trigger actions when a deal moves to a new stage. This is exactly what we're setting up today. Click on the little plus icon to add an action. It's that simple. When you click the plus icon, you'll be presented with different actions you can automate. If you want to create a task, just select that option. You'll then be able to define all the relevant details for your task, like assigning follow-up calls. Don't forget to click Save once you've entered all the information. Perhaps you'd prefer to send an internal email notification instead. If that's the case, choose the internal email notification action. Compose your message right there and hit Save once you're happy with it. Now, should you want to modify any existing action, just click on its action bubble. And if you're thinking, oops, I need to delete this, simply hover over the action and click the delete icon. You'll be given the choice to delete just that particular action or all subsequent actions as well. For those of you looking for more advanced automation, with multiple actions, delays, or even branching logic, you're in luck. There's an option to open this in Workflows. This feature offers more robust automation solutions and is available if you're using Professional or Enterprise plans. That wraps up our quick setup for pipeline automation. By following these steps, you'll ensure smooth transitions and effective communication within your sales process. Thanks for watching, and happy automating!